Okay, now you have all your files. I'm quickly going to make some alterations to what I'm doing for you. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to Simpsons and make a very, very quick supercut edit. The Simpsons for you has already been chopped up into place so you can edit it a lot more easier. So if you press space or over here, go play. And press space again, now pause it. Here are different tools to help you. So you have your select tool, which means you can click on the file that you like. You have your trim tool, which means if you wanted to, when a file like this is here in the timeline, which you click and drop, I can click on file, and then where it's gone red, I can get rid of that. Okay, and then if I wanted to as well, I could go to the positioning tool and maybe grab another file like this one here and put it right above. Then the next thing you can do is quite simple. So if I do the following, get this to where it should be. There we go. So I'm going to zoom out a bit because it's too zoomed in for my liking. And then I'm going to go, because there's too much stuff here as well, I'm going to get rid of some of this. I'm going to go here and go down to the blade tool. So the blade tool means that you can cut anything up that you like. So I'm putting in lots of little cuts. So if I go to A, I can click on these and delete them. The main thing is, every time I do that, it shortens it down. But if I wanted to, if I went to the positioning tool, I can click on this file here and put it above that one there. So it doesn't get affected by whatever's beneath it. So now what you need to do is to go through all the footage and make your own supercut using whatever you like. If you're going to use The Simpsons, you need to make sure that you chop it up properly and you cut it down. So where we might have on this one here, I might think I need more time. So I can go to trim and I can extend the duration on it. Right, so there we go. So it's extended it. And I'm going to go back to A. And I'm going to double click on it. And I'm going to watch it there. Then I can go to press M for marker, which then puts a point in. I might want to remember this bit here. And then I might think, all right, I want to chop this. But if I want it to be perfect, I could use these tools here, which take it back frame by frame. Go to the blade tool and put my little cut in there. And then I might want to press play. And then that's as far as I want. I want to take it back so it's the last shot. There we go, so it's precise. And then blade tool again, go to A, get rid of what I don't want. And then I'm now left with the bit that I want, which is this bit right here. So I can put that above here. So here we go. You may notice here that you'll have on the Apprentice, there's a file behind it as well. So we're not going to cover that in this lesson, but we will at a later date in your next lesson that we do on using Final Cut. So what you need to do now is to make your own supercut edits using these different clips. So it's going to be 10 seconds. So if you want, you can do different things with salt and sugar.
A difficult decision.
So remember, you can use I for in
Today.
Sir Alan, may I say one more?
and then press O for out, and then by pressing or clicking here for select, click on the file, or if you see I've done there, I click to a point and make it go bigger, or I can just do it like this so it's easier for me to click and drag it here, put it on the timeline, and then I can use my blade tool by clicking B, or by clicking up here, or if I wanted to, I could just trim this right down and get rid of anything that I didn't want to have, and then go to A.
And I know vocal, and that puts
you
me.
have been bold, all right.
So we can do that there. And then if you wanted to, you can have another bit of The Simpsons.
And that puts
you
me.
have been bold, all right.
And it
So if you wanted to, you can make yours a bit different and have it so it actually is every time he says something to someone that Homer says "do." So if you see here, I just did then, and it should marry up the two files. There we go. So we go. You can do whatever you like, and once you've done your Supercut edit, you need to watch part 3, which will show you how to export your finished Supercut. Enjoy.